Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute post of someone on Instagram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, find and go to the profile of the user whose post you want to mute. Once you are on their profile, look for the following button and tap on it. In the list that appears, tap on the mute option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right beside the post option and turn it on. And this is how you can mute post of someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.